Hello students, it's April 30th, and for this week I want you to review again chapters 13 and 14, and also there is a threaded discussion number 4 that is out today and will be due on Sunday before 10 p.m. as normal work is, or I'll do on Sundays before 10 p.m. There's also a video on the Supreme Court that you could look and review just for your own convenience. But the only thing on the assignments this week is the threaded discussion and to review chapters 13 and 14. I also want you to make sure that you've completed your Learn Smarts all the way up till chapter 14. The semester is winding down, and remember those Learn Smarts are 5 points each, so make sure you take some time. This is a little easier week as we go into the last week before finals next week, for you to catch up a bit, particularly on Learn Smarts. Okay? If you have any questions, as always, please give me a call or you can contact me by email. Threaded discussion 4, though, is on the docket this week, along with any threaded discussions that you have not completed. And you should be done all the way up to chapter 14 by the end of this week. Thank you very much.